Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the LAKME Eyeconic eyeliner. They have a whole range of eye products in this collection guys, and it says take the Eyeconic challenge now. And in the collection comes the Eyeconic mascara, the Eyeconic liquid liner and the Eyeconic kohl kajal pencil. Today I will be speaking about the eyeliner specifically. This little puppy. Let's start with the price guys. This costs 250 rupees for 4.5 ml of product. What? 250 rupees. First of all, can we even beat that price? That's amazing. And secondly, this is the eyeliner I've got on my eyes, liner on point. So needless to say, let's cut the chase. I love this eyeliner and let me tell you why. Firstly, I love the tiny packaging, very light, very travel friendly. It's easy. And secondly, I've mentioned this in many of my videos, I love brush tip eyeliners because they give you the most amount of precision and control, and this one comes in a superb brush tip. The point is just right, so you get the finest of the finest lines, and you can also get a pretty thick line as you can see on my liner today. So you can get those detail work right in your inner corner, nice pointy wing, and then when you want it a little thicker in the midsection of your eyes, you can even get it really thick without struggling. So this is perfect for beginners and pros and amateurs and makeup artists, whatever your level of makeup game, this is just perfect. To get a really thin, fine line, all you have to do is apply very little pressure and you get a fine line. And if you apply a little bit more pressure, thank you for not focusing on me, camera. A nice thick line as well. Also, do you see how black that is? This gives you a very long wearing, comfortable stay. It lasts up to 24 hours on your eyes without flaking or rubbing or balling off of your eyelid, which I think is amazing. And sometimes long wearing eyeliner means that it's also difficult to remove at the end of the day with your makeup remover. But the best part about this is that it's also very easy to get it off with a makeup remover. It's smudge proof and it does not fade during the day. It stays this intense and this black throughout the day. If you want a simple eyeliner or a dramatic winged eyeliner or something really fun and funky like a graphic eyeliner, this eyeliner will help you achieve all those looks, because really the brush tip is the best to get simple easy lines and artsy lines as well, like using a brush on a canvas. This eyeliner also claims to be waterproof and smudge proof, so we're going to test that out in front of you right now. Are we ready? I've got my cup of water right here and I'm going to drip some water onto my hand. It's going to get all over me guys, but let's do this in the name of science, right? There we go. Drip it right on my hand. Check that out. Look at that, you guys. I'm trying to smudge this and it's not even coming off. You did good, eyeliner. You did good. Guys, I'm even trying to smudge this off and it is not coming. It is not budging. Now, of course, if I go hard and rub it, it is going to come off. You don't want it to be permanent marker on your eyes or on your hand. That's not my intention at all. You know, a light eye rub or a little tear, this is going to definitely survive. A little rain, a little drizzle, this is going to survive. But if you go ham and try to wipe it off your eyes, of course it will come off, and it has to come off, you know. So next up, I've got my makeup remover and I want to show you how easy it is to take this off by the end of the day. So let's give it a nice little rub, and I'm being super gentle and I can already feel the eyeliner ball up and boom shakalaka, it's off without leaving any smudgy black residue all over your eye, which makes you look and feel even more tired. By the end of the night, nope, nothing. Completely clean. That was my quick and easy review of the Eyeconic eyeliner, and I want to know what you think about it. And if you are gonna take the Eyeconic challenge, definitely post it on your Instagram, tag me so I can see it and like it and comment under your challenge pictures. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Mwah.